At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. My people, I want to take a listen to this.
We cannot discuss land ownership without looking at the Registration of Titles Act. Now, under this 1833 law, mark the date, a person in adverse possession of crown land was unable to prove possession unless they reach the 60-year mark. Our research has shown, Mr. Speaker, that in countries like England, where this law originated, it is now 10 years. The 60 years is now 10 years, save and except for land on the foreshore. The view of the UK Commission that reviewed the law is that in these modern times, the government has a duty of care to its citizens, to protect crown lands and to ensure their productive use. It is no longer permissible to use the explanation of the large acreage or resource constraints to restrict persons from occupying these lands. Under the next PNP government, we are proposing the reduction of 60 years to 25 years. Save and except for land on the foreshore. We believe this is ample time for the government to ensure that protections are in place. A PNP government will move with alacrity to amend the Registration of Titles Act to provide for a shorter time frame for persons who have been living on government land to claim it. The same rules that apply to the private owner must be commensurate with those that apply to the government. The government of Jamaica is the largest landowner, who can hardly account for what it owns. Yet persons must meet high hurdles to get a title. This is wrong, Mr. Speaker. Wrong. And we committing to put an end to this. In fact, listen to this, Mr. Speaker. Many of these informal settlements are already being serviced by utility companies. May have benefited from infrastructure upgrades and intervention by various government agencies, including members of parliaments and councillors. It would therefore be hypocritical for us as leaders not to formulate a workable strategy to formally enable long-standing occupiers to acquire these properties that they have possessed for decades. In simple terms, what it means, Mr. Speaker, is that the next PNP government will oversee what could be considered as the single largest transfer of wealth from the state to the people. By formalizing and correcting a 192-year-old system of injustice that was meted out to the Jamaican people. Time come for us to put Jamaica first. And to ensure that our people achieve true economic independence. And also stability by owning a piece of the rock, hereby commencing the process of creating true generational wealth, breaking the cycle of poverty,
A lot of you probably not familiar with him, my people, but that is Lothan cousin MP for Clarendon South Western since 2020. My wisdom warriors, when me tell you, say, this man always a stand up for the Jamaican people and not normal. I remember when the people them never have no water. The people them couldn't get no water. This was about I think it was about 2 years ago. This man take his own money and buy pump and make sure say every single person get water, both JLP and PNP. Let me tell you something, man. It's when this MP come out and start talk and not normal. Una better believe in my wisdom warriors. Una see where Anju's administration was hiding from the Jamaican people. Una see what is going on. My wisdom warriors, don't be fooled. Don't follow the labor right them. The labor right them say selfish is better than education. This is why Anju Wellness can trick them. This is why Anju Wellness can trick them. Remember, say it was the same JLP where remove reading from out of school. Remember, good Jamaica. Don't forget. Anyway, my people, we're moving on. Hear this.
Dear Jamaicans, I've just been told that civil servants, especially the police, have not been paid as yet. So, you mean to tell me after on the work, the police them so hard, have the police them doing all in the dirty work, almost literally creating a police state. When they don't want to pay the people them, then suppose when they don't pay them turn against, you know. When they pay the police them, me hear some nurses don't get paid either. Pay the police to pay the people them. Imagine you work all month and you expect your payday and then you don't get your pay. Listen, when they pay the people them, pay the people them on the money. I bet it's a politician pay never late. You want to say bet a politician pay never late? Pay the police them money. All when the police them a target me and antagonize me, I still a tell you to pay the people them money. Pay the policemen and women their money. This is ridiculous. I want to have the people them doing all I want to work, all of the work, and then not pay them. Pay the people them.
Anyway, my wisdom warriors, may I bring on a straight innocent Anju. I want to take a look at the campaign. May I tell us that the place turn up load till it buck. Hear this.
Nice to see you, Donna. Feel up. Yes, sir.
chairman, Comrade Patricia Duncan Sutherland, the next member of parliament for this great constituency. My beloved comrade leader, Comrade Mark Golding. All the distinguished comrades seated on the platform. Comrades, before I greet you, I want you to look good at the comrades seated on the platform. Those are the comrades who will be leading us into victory. But victory cannot be achieved unless you, the comrades of this noble party, are there stepping along with us, holding our hands and guiding us. Because without you, there is no we. Salute you. I salute you, comrades, because just as the wind is blowing now, there's a wind of change blowing through Jamaica. Everywhere there's a wind of change. Every community in Jamaica, when you go there and you see the comrades, your heart overflow because they are ready. They are ready to get out and mark their X. They are ready for a change in this country. And comrades, when I come to you tonight, I come to you with the DNA of the People's National Party. I come to you in the spirit of Norman Washington Manley. Norman Washington Manley, who founded this party, was a man who went into politics as a rich lawyer. And when he left politics, he was broke. And you know why? He had integrity. He came to serve. He reflected every one of you in front of me, serving with dignity, with the people at the center of his heart, always putting the people first. And when you look at our leader here on this platform, you see reflected in him, reflected in all of our candidates, the DNA of Norman Washington Manley. We don't have no jackets in the PNP. In the PNP, we have no jackets. We have people who are committed to building a Jamaica that works for all of us. Let me spend a minute telling you about the government now leads, which now leads us. I tell you that without justice there can be no peace, because each one of you must feel that the party that leads you treats you with respect, sees you and leads you with dignity. When we talk about the Constitution, we are talking about your rights. We are talking about your power. We are talking about your authority. And these people, all they do every day is break the Constitution. If they did listen to us as PNP, they wouldn't have broke it, so you know. Because when they were doing needs, we sat in the Senate until 1:20 Saturday morning because we were trying to correct them and to tell them that what they were doing was against the Constitution. They never listen. So what we do? We just take them to court and win it. When we told them, when our leader told them that states of emergencies were illegal, they never listen. So what we do? We just take them to court and win it. Every time they break the Constitution, PNP steps in to protect the people. We don't want any dictatorship in this country. We want somebody who can be certified to lead us. And I want to say this because I know you have to listen to your MP and you have to listen to your leader. I just want to ask one dege question. You know what a dege is? One dege question. I noticed that Parliament was scheduled to end on July 2nd. And suddenly now everything rush up and Parliament is ending on the 24th of June. You see, the Integrity Commission report, which disclosed that 8 of them were under investigation for illicit enrichment, under the law must be tabled by the 30th of June. What are they hiding from? Why are they locking down the Parliament before the 30th of June when they had planned for the 2nd of July? What can go so? But we the people, with the power in our might, we the people with the power in our hand, we the people with the power in our fist, will tell them time come. Your time come. It don't know. Make way for a leader with integrity. Make way for a government who puts people first. Make way for a government who says time come for Jamaica, for all of us. The word is love.
My wisdom warriors, that is our next Justice Minister, Donna Matt Lescott. So my wisdom warriors, wanna see what Anju honest do? Remember, so the annual report, if you come out, by the 30th of June. Who remember when Andre said it? Andre said it, Andre said it. Andre talk about it, my people. 2nd of July, Parliament scheduled for close. Anju Oneness change the date. But you know when I think my wisdom warriors, they don't want the 18th report for table before election. So that means the election will go call soon. That means election will go call soon because remember the report, is due to come out by the 30th of June, sent to the Parliament by 30th of June. That is the overall annual yearly report, my wisdom warriors. And know say in that report, the 18th I go talk about Jamaica and Anju Oneness. No want if a table. What are these criminals hiding? What are they hiding, my wisdom warriors? We really have to ask this question, We really have to ask this question. Then tell me something. You no want to know who is the 17th before election call? Hey, my wisdom warriors, we want to know the names of the 7 thieves before election call because we don't want no criminal in our parliament. We don't want no criminal in our parliament and we don't want none of them for run for no MP. We want them behind bars because while they are enriching themselves, the Jamaican people are suffering. The Jamaican people are suffering. Anywhere money fi go, the money can't go there because of this corrupted government. You don't see what go on Jamaica. You don't see what go on. When you have a corrupted government, that means the people suffers. When I say the people suffers, the healthcare system suffer, the education system suffer. Jamaica, wake up. May I beg you, wake up. Because it's only going to get worse if you don't wake up. It's only going to get worse. And when you see a man, a prime minister like Anju Oneness, I try to strike down section 14. Come on, Jamaica. This man claims say him not thief nothing. This man claims say him not hide nothing. So why are you fighting the IC? Why? You think we are fool? We are not fool. Wake up, my people. Time has come and the time is now. My Jamaican people, I want to like and share out this video. I want to tell a friend about Attack the Press. Blessings upon blessings. One love.
Oh, no go on the first promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly. Cause when they win them a go dump way. Marky G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk for we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk for we. Yes, go march for we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention. Leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do when in call the election. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. So we are tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them